If you've purchased the ELECQ Charger along with the ELECQ Power Monitor, and your home is using a hybrid inverter to manage your solar and storage systems, don't go anywhere. This video will show you how to use the load balancing feature of the ELECQ Charger and Power Monitor to balance your household load and manage charging resources for your electric vehicle. Download the Partner App to configure, then use the ELECQ app. Learn more on our YouTube channel. When using a hybrid inverter and energy storage system at home, ELECQ supports a solar mode that balances household loads by monitoring only the grid current. You need to install the power monitor correctly, connecting the power supply to L1. This is important. Then connect CTs from G1, G2 and G3 to the main breakers L1, L2 and L3. Here is the location of the main breaker inside the distribution cabinet, and the cables for L1, L2, L3. This is a 100 ampere CT. Pay attention to the arrow indicating the current direction. It must not be installed backwards. After installing the CTs on L1, L2 and L3 in order, you have completed the wiring preparation before configuration. Open the Partner app. Create new site. Site information will auto-generate. Follow the video to start the site settings. After selecting a load balancing mode, other necessary settings will appear. With solar mode, you have three options: only solar, solar priority, and unlimited. Only solar will charge only using solar power. Solar priority will use solar power first, and generate from the grid only when it cannot supply the minimum operating power at 6 ampere. Unlimited allows chargers to operate at maximum power. And then we go power settings, make it based on your home power system. Here are only instructions. You need to judge which option is fit for you. It is important to pay extra attention to the current sensor options. Please make sure to select the correct CD type and CD spec. Also, choose the correct option according to the wiring method of your power monitor. Next, you can proceed to complete the site setup and add the chargers. You can also customize some of the default settings.